Welcome. Stocks are often called the chef's building blocks because they form the base for many soups, sauce, curries, and gravies. A stock is a flavorable liquid made by gently simmering bones and or vegetables in a liquid to extract their flavor, aroma, color, body, and nutrition. The four essential parts of a stock are Merophix, liquid, major flavoring ingredients. Ingredients: bones, major in chicken stock, chalk bones, white stock, beef veal fork bones, brown stock, beef veal browned in an oven, fish stock, fish bones and trimmings from fillet, fumet, often used for flavorful fish stock as made with wine. Myrofics meat both aromatic veg. Most important contributors: carrots, onion, celery chopped coarsely. Third one, acid prone. Acid help dissolve connective tissue. Example: lemon, vinegar, tomato products. Fourth one, scraps and leftovers. Fifth one, seasoning and spices. Aromatic salt is impact ink. Sachet herbs and spicy usually tied in a cheesecloth. Bucket carni, assortment of fresh herbs tied in a bundle with string. The parsley, steam, babe leaves, cloves, garlics. There are all items covering the cloth. Then nice smells in the bucket carni. Ingredients preparation: bones 50%, married wax 10%, water 100%. Types of stock: white stock, brown stock, fumet stock, court bouillon, glaze, remoulade, bouillon. There are very important stocks. Their preparation method is very easily and staining methods. Then both are same or vegetables and meat or fish. Anyone in the food production industry, the food production industry means stock is very important because of appetizers of before dinner. Types of stock: bouillon in French cuisine is a simply broth made by simmering a myropox and aromatic herbs, pocket carne, with either beef, veal or poultry. Fumet. Fumet is a concentrated stock, particularly one made from fish and mushroom, used to add flavor or to less intensely flavored stock. Next one, consomme is a clear soup made from richly flavored stock that has been clarified, usually a fining process through the use of egg protein. Sample: egg white. Next one, very important of food production, culinary, advanced culinary arts. Bone for stock are prepared by balancing, browning, sweetening. Balancing to get rid of some impurities that can cause cloudiness. Step rinse bones in cold water to wash away the blood impurities. Dissolve easily in cold water. Hot water retards extraction. Bring water to be boiled as the water heat impurities solidify and rise to the surface. Drain the foams and now ready for stock food. Sweetening is a procedure that starts flavor released quickly. The stock can be cooked in less than 45 minutes with full extraction of body and flavor. Number 1. Heat a small amount of oil or clarified butter in a round diode. Second one, add the bones or cells and myrofix. Third one, cook over moderate heat, stirring occasionally until the flesh on the bones turns opaque for the cells have a bright color and the moisture is released from the myrofix. What four qualities are stocks evaluated on flavor? Very important. Flavor is very important. The correct soup define the flavor. Color, which is the color is very important because of example tomato soup is a tomato soup colors is red color, so color is very important. Aroma is increase the appetizers, so very important the aroma. Clarity, cooling and storing stock. Put the stock pot in the ice bath and stir often when cool. Place in the refrigerator. Break down the large amounts of stock into smaller amounts. Place stock in small containers in the refrigerator. Stir occasionally. Thank you.